Let me share with you how to make a luxurious and upgraded Korean spicy seafood ramen. This dish is incredibly flavorful and satisfying. A true feat that is sure to become a favorite. Place a large pot over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add 1 sliced onion and 2 sliced garlic cloves. Stir and cook them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. To the pot, add 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 4 sliced shiitake mushrooms, half a cup of zucchini strips, and half a cup of carrot strips. Continue to stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables have softened and become tender. Now add 150 grams of fresh squid cut into bite-sized pieces. Stir fry for just 1 to 2 minutes until the squid firms up and turns opaque. It is the time for the signature Korean flavors. To the pot, add 2 tablespoons of Korean soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochujang chili paste, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir everything until it is perfectly combined and aromatic. Pour in 1 liter of water, which is enough to just cover all the ingredients. Bring the pot to the rolling point. You will see the broth turn a beautiful, rich red color. Once the broth is boiling, add your selection of seafood. This can include 200 grams of clams and 150 grams of shrimp or crab. Cover the pot, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for 10 minutes to allow the seafood to cook through and the flavors to deepen. After 10 minutes, stir in the flavor packet from 1 package of instant ramen. Then place the block of ramen noodles thoroughly into the bubbling broth. Let the noodles cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become soft and absorb the delicious soup. Once the noodles are cooked, you can skim off any excess foam from the surface for a cleaner broth. For a finer, rich touch, place 1 slice of cheese over the top so it can melt gently into the soup. Garnish with a few slices of fresh chili. Your luxurious seafood ramen is ready. Serve it immediately when it is steaming hot. The combination of the spicy, savory broth, tender seafood, and cheesy, soft noodles is an incredibly comforting, exhilarating experience in every spoonful.